Where I grew up here in Guayaquil, basketball and baseball are popular, but American football is not popular. Uh, Here in Latin America, the most popular sport is soccer. These three sports, I mean basketball, baseball, and American football, are not popular as soccer, maybe because soccer is easy to understand, to follow rules, and the only equipment to be used is a ball made of old clothes. Even it's not necessary to have a good field to play. And for the goal, uh, we can use two rocks or to paint on the floor. Soccer is called football in Latin America. When I was between 11 and 13 years old, I used to play basketball at school because there was a subject called physical education that included to play basketball and other sports. For me, it was good to practice basketball because I learned how to play following rules and I exercised my body.